Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create burger hat and dress and press for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you're going to wear this fur hat, and then we're going to change the pattern to this one. Okay, and then use the wear the bucket hat right here, and we're going to color it green as the lettuce. Okay, color it green, and then you're gonna wear this baseball cap, and we're going to color it yellow. Okay, and the last one, let's move to this area, and then we're gonna wear this item. Okay, then color it red. Okay, and wait, let me change the adjustment. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, it will be perfect for food inspired theme in Dress and Press, and you can make it for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create burger hat in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.